Hi, it's Sean Engmann with today's real estate tip of the day. Today, I want to talk about something that often catches home buyers off guard: the hidden costs of buying a home, specifically the closing costs. When you're budgeting for a home purchase, it's easy to focus on the down payment and the monthly payments, but closing costs can somehow get lost in the shuffle and they're significant. So, what exactly are they? Well, they're simply fees and expenses you'll need to pay at the closing table when you finalize your home purchase. These costs are typically between 2 to 5% of the home's price, depending on where you're buying and your situation. So I want to break down some of the key components. First, we'll talk about lender fees, include origination fees, application fees, underwriting, and any discount points that you might be paying to secure a lower interest rate. Your lender will provide a loan estimate early in the process, but it's important to note that these costs could end up varying somewhat by the time you actually do close. Next, we'll talk about escrow and title fees, which include the costs of a title search, title insurance, and if necessary, though not often in California, any attorney's fees. Title insurance protects you and the lender in case there are any legal claims against the property after you buy it. Another significant expense is prepaid costs, which include things like homeowners insurance, property taxes, and mortgage interest that you'll need to pay up front. Even though these are costs that you'll incur as a homeowner, they often need to be paid in advance at closing, typically for the first year, and sometimes you'll need to maintain an account in escrow, impounding those costs so that you'll stay ahead of things. Then there are appraisal and inspection fees. Before a lender will approve your loan, they'll require an appraisal to determine the home's value. Additionally, it's highly recommended to get home inspections to ensure the property is in good condition. Both of these services come at a fee that's typically paid by the buyer, and most of the time they're paid out of pocket, but there are also costs that I wanted to include because you'll need to come up and pay with them out of pocket. Finally, don't forget about the real estate commissions. In the past, the seller typically paid the commission for both the buyer's agent and the listing agent out of the proceeds of the sale. But with the recent changes, you as the buyer may now be responsible for covering your agent's commission out of your closing costs, unless you're able to negotiate a concession with the seller. That's something to plan for and discuss with your agent early in the process so you can prepare what to do for those costs. What do you do to prepare for the hidden costs? Well, start by talking with your lender and getting a clear picture of all the fees involved. Also, work closely with your real estate agent to understand what to expect in terms of commissions and other costs. It's important to budget for these expenses so that you're not caught off guard at closing. Remember, buying a home is a significant financial commitment, and being aware of these hidden costs can help you plan better and avoid surprises. If you have any questions about closing costs or need help navigating the home buying process, please feel free to drop a comment below or reach out to me directly. My contact info is in the description. If you'd like to learn more about how I can help you buy a home, please book a call with me. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.